I know they wanna come and separate us, but they can't do us nothing. You're the one I want, and I'ma continue loving. 'Cause you're considered wifey and I'm considered husband.
So, how much does it actually cost to turn a standard Ducati Panigale V2 into a full-on racing-style machine like this? Let's break it down and find out. 1. Custom livery graphic design. Simple design template, $10 to $50. Professional custom design with detailed dragon or racing elements, $30 to $130. 2. Vinyl printing / sticker wrap, USD. Standard vinyl, good quality, $95 to $160. Premium vinyl, 3M, Oracle, Avery, $160 to $260. Vinyl with paint protection film, PPF, $260 to $520. 3. Professional installation, USD. Standard installation, $65 to $160. Racing style detailed installation, complex curves, precision work with heat gun, custom pricing available. 4. Finishing and protection, USD. Polishing and UV protection, $30 to $100. Ceramic / nano coating, $100 to $260. 5. Optional racing accessories, USD. Wheel decals / rim tape, $20 to $50. Sponsor stickers and race numbers, $10 to $30. Carbon look accents / visual fender details, $25 to $60. Estimated total cost. Minimum budget, basic racing look, $200 to $400. Mid-level racing package. Pricing varies depending on design complexity and material selection. With these costs in mind, do you think the results are worth it?
I know they wanna come and separate